How to delete files using PowerToys Windows 11. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete files using PowerToys Windows 11. So let's get started. One thing that you need to keep in mind is that PowerToys doesn't directly delete your files because PowerToys is a utility suite for enhancing Windows. But however, you can remap some keys or shortcuts in order to make file deleting much easier. And I'm going to show you how you can do that. First, you got to make sure that you have installed PowerToys in your PC. To do that, you got to head over to Microsoft Store, go to the search bar and type in PowerToys. If you have not installed it before, you'll be able to see an install button. Click on install and then you should see open. Click on open and then you'll be redirected to PowerToys settings. So you gotta go to the search bar at the top and you gotta type in keyboard manager. Basically, you gotta enable your keyboard manager first. So you'll be able to see a toggle button right next to it and then you gotta simply toggle your keyboard manager. After that, you gotta click on remap a key and then click on add key remapping, click on select. And here you gotta press any key that you want to use as a delete button. For example, I'm gonna click on K, press OK. And now you have to select the key that you want to map it to. So we have to map it to the delete button. Press select once again and then you gotta press the delete button. And once done, click on OK. After that, you gotta click on OK once again. Now let's give it a check. So you gotta head over and navigate the file that you wish to delete. You gotta click on the file and as you know, I remapped the K key. So you gotta click on K and now you can see that the file has been deleted. And that is basically how you can delete files using PowerToys Windows 11. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.